Hi guys, this is a WORKPRO cutting knife in the color red. It does come in other colors, and this is an industrial strength knife with a safety feature here. Right now it's locked, but if you press this button here, it releases and you can pull out the knife. And right now I've got the knife. Let's see, I'll pull it out, snaps in place. You can take off this protective cover permanently or just for now. And it does come with what looks like a set of 10 extra blades. And of course you can buy these as well. So how does this work? Well, you just cut it in. Now this is, I've got my table under here, so I'm gonna have to hold up this paper, but wow, it cuts through cardboard like butter. That's the reason I got it, for cutting open extra difficult ones. And let's just put this close so I don't cut myself here. Cha-jung. But if you do want to change the blade, you can do it via this link here. I'd just be very careful when you're doing so. And it also has a little hook place, a little D-ring type of thing that sticks out, so you can hang it or just, have a nail in the wall and hang it somewhere if you have a workspace. And of course it also has this flip here, so you can put it on the side of your shirt or something else to store it. By the same brand, I also have these paper cutters that are very small. These are very lightweight and made for obviously your day-to-day, things like this, the cardboard, but not heavy strength. But these will tend to break, the blades break. They're smaller, lighter, less expensive. This one is truly industrial level. The blades in here are thicker, so it's hard to damage the actual device. But also, if you just want to cut paper, you probably don't need this much. This is for something much thicker and bigger, for people who need to do this professionally. That would do it. Just be careful when you're using this to have something safe behind it, because it will cut through. So very happy with this. Very heavyweight, looks industrial strength for sure, and I think this will last me for years to come. So yeah, recommend.